Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair that I have installed in my hair right now. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this hair, keep on watching. So the hair that I have installed in my head right now, they're named Ishow hair. I ordered 3 bundles of the Brazilian straight hair. I ordered an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch. And I do have a frontal in my head as well. I actually didn't buy my frontal from this vendor. I actually bought it from my hairstylist. She sells hair, so I actually bought my frontal from her. Paid a total of $76.53 for those 3 bundles of hair. And sis, let me tell y'all, like, this hair is popping. I paid less than $100 and like this hair is giving me life. This hair is super soft. It is my first time installing it, so I don't know how this hair will actually keep up, but for the price, like, I'm loving it, you guys. Like, this is literally the first time I ever paid less than $100 for some hair. So and so far I am liking it. It's really soft. It haven't shed yet. It haven't tingled yet. It is super soft. Like, I'm loving this hair so much. Basically, I want to show you guys how my item came packaged. My hair actually came packaged in this like regular mail packaging. So yeah, it's nothing major. My bundles did come in this clear plastic bag, which looks like this, and it does have the inches right here of your hair, which is really good. And I did install all 3 bundles in my hair, and I want to show you guys how much hair I actually had left. And to be honest, you guys, only have some of the 18-inch left. So this is the hair that I have left that wasn't even installed. And to be honest, I really feel like the hairstylist could have fit this in, because I feel like there's some gaps in between my sew-ins. So I feel like she could have just added this in. This is just the hair that I have left. It's super soft. Like, I really love this hair, you guys. I'm not even receiving any sheddings yet, so I'm just super like about this hair. And then also the vendor did give me some eyelashes. They usually always give me eyelashes every time I purchase from AliExpress, so that's that. And basically, I want to talk to you guys about shipping. Shipping wasn't long at all. Shipping took less than a week, which is super fast. Like, all my hair that I ordered from AliExpress is literally came to me super fast. It been like less than a week. So I didn't have any issue about that. Customer service was amazing. They always reach out to me, message me, and all of that. And I usually don't respond because I just don't have the time. I'm a busy girl. But they did reach out to me and, you know, just let me know that my hair was sent out and did I receive my hair, you know, and just like little messages. So the customer service was A1. And basically, this is my review on this hair. I am gonna come back with a final review on how this hair kept up, but like, I'm really loving this hair so much. And yeah, I have nothing else to say. Like, I don't have anything bad to say about this hair, but like I said, this is my initial review on this hair. So yeah, I will come back and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.